Good morning, students. Today our class is Principles of Superposition of the Wave. Our class is Principles of Superposition of the Wave. First of all, you see the definition. When two or more waves are simultaneously interface, the resultant displacement of the any particle is equal to the sum of algebra of the displacement of all the waves. See how it can explain in my way. For example, this one is wave, and then second wave, this one is first one, this one is the second one. Then it is simultaneously interface. It means it traveling the same medium, then it's or otherwise for example, this one of the waveform at time equal to 0. Another one, this one also the waveform of 2. This one is time equal to 1. Then third situation, time equal to 2. Then time equal to 4. This one is for time equal to 3. Then time equal to 4. See, this one is the waveform 1. This one is waveform 2. At the time equal to 0, its situation is indicate this image. Then time equal to 1 means this one waveform 2 is moved this direction and wave move 1 is moved this direction, then form like this situation. Then at the time equal to 2, these two are interface, then its displacement is 0. Why? Because it means plus, it means minus. See, it one is the, for example, take 2, same thing, this also 2, minus 2. In the definition, we will define like as the algebraic sum of the displacement. It means 2 plus minus 2 gives to 0. This is occur in the figure 3. This is imaginary, take like. Then fourth, at the time equal to 3, the same situation but it opposite to the situation at the time equal to 1. Then time equal to t equal to 4, the same situation is the opposite of the time equal to 0. This is the general meaning or general interference interpret of the principle of the superposition of the waves. See, in the third one is the most important. Why? Because of the at the same waves are added in the opposition direction, is the displacement is 0. Displacement is 0 when the same phase or waveform in the opposition direction is added, its displacement is 0. This one is basic of the interference. This is the basic. It is a basic principle for the interference. Interference is the one of the property of the one of property of waves. One of property of waves. These waves, this concept are explained in the mathematical form, like taken as wave function. That one is, for example, first waveform taken as y1 equal to a sin kx minus omega t. Then second one y2 taken as a sin kx minus omega t plus phi. This is phi indicated phase. This is a phase. Second one added space. These are the two wave function. It is resultant wave taken as capital Y equal to y1 plus y2. If taken infinity, the y, capital Y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus dash yn. Okay, then say we will take only to capital Y equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus second one equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus phi. This one is like as sin a plus sin b. Is formula equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Please, this one is most important for the solution of this equation. In the trigonometry, sin a plus sin b. See, this is the sin a. This one is sin b. Like it. Then our formula is equal to 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Then we will let a take as common. 2 sin a plus b sin kx minus omega t plus sin kx omega t plus phi by 2 sin a plus b by 2. Next, cos kx minus omega t minus kx minus omega t plus phi. Then you get alternately to a c sin kx minus omega t plus sin kx minus omega t plus phi. It means we will write like as sin kx minus omega t plus phi by 2. Then in this case cos, this one is plus, taken minus into the bracket, this one like as minus kx, that's why cancel it. This one also cancel, this one also cancel. Remaining is phi by 2. Remaining is phi by 2. So this one is 2 cos phi by 2, 2a cos phi by 2 sin kx minus omega t plus phi by 2. This equation, we have the comparison between y equal to a sin kx minus omega t. Compare this one. In the between this, the a means amplitude a is amplitude a equal to 2a cos amplitude A equal to 2A cos phi by 2. This is, please remember, in the superposition of the two waves, then its amplitude A equal to 2A cos phi by 2. 2A cos phi by 2. If theta equal to or phi equal to 0, then what is the value of it? A equal to 2A. A equal to 2A. Why? Because then phi if taken as 0, this value of the cos phi by 2 is like as taken 1. Why? Because cos 90 equal to 1. Then taken phi equal to cos 0 value is 1. When phi taken as phi value, it means 180 degrees. Cos 90 0. That's why A equal to 0. That means the displacement is 0. In the same situation, we will see in the first of the video and the position of the third one. This is most important. The basic of the interference is one of the behind of the interference. The superposition of the waves is the basic. It is see in the form of the waveform and the analytical. Analytical means is the mathematical explanation. For example, take y1 and y2. It's the resultant like this one. So in this case, the amplitude is the function of this one. That one is 2A cos phi by 2. Whenever phi equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, that's why amplitude equal to 2A. Whenever phi equal to phi means 180 degrees, then amplitude equal to 0. This situation see in the previous of our lesson. Starting of this lesson, the situation of the third diagram. For example, see, whenever phase difference 0, it means two waves like this one and this one. This one first one, this one second. In this two fixture, its phase difference is 0, and the second one taken as phi equal to phi means 180 degrees like that. See in the pictures 1 and 2. It is the constructive image. That one is like this one. Means the amplitude is 2A. In this case, see, it's the interference of this 1 and 2. The image form like it. Nothing have the see in the amplitude. Why? Because amplitude is 0. In that case, A equal to 2A. For example, this is A. This one is 2A. This is the basic of the interference. In this case, superposition of the waves, the amplitude is the function of the phase difference. The amplitude is the function of the phase difference. Means the amplitude depends on the phase. This is the point is remember. Further problem solutions or other content purpose of the questions.